To add a note on Messenger, you're going to open your Messenger app. So can you see at the top, some of my friends have some notes in their Messenger, so I can tap on it and read their notes. So this person says happy Thanksgiving, and this person says when you are down you really know who really worth your care, and this person says broken. So notes simply help us express ourselves, how we feel, or what we think about a thing. So this is mine. My notes is empty, so I'm going to tap on your notes. So here I have the option to share my thoughts, and I can use only 60 characters. So I'll go ahead and create a note. Okay, so I just exhausted the 60 characters, and my note says, hey, it's Monday and I feel lazy a lot on my desk. So I'll head on to tap on share. So my note has been shared, and when people come on Messenger, they'll be able to see my notes, and it will tell them how I feel on this very day. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification button. That is your own way of supporting me and encouraging the algorithm to push it out to people who would find this video useful. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next content. Later.